Hello, good evening to everyone. Today in this video we'll see this beautiful product under 200 rupees. Okay, this watering spray gun for small gardens. Okay, actually the best thing here is you can lock this, means no need to continuously press the trigger. In the last video I just did the unboxing. Okay, unboxing. If you want to see the full details and unboxing of this whole toolkit, this is a garden toolkit, not only this pipe. Okay, there is a whole set of other gardening tools also. Just I'll drop the link in the description, you can just find it in the description. See here, you can lock it and leave it like that, still the water goes in the preferred setting. There are 7 settings here. Actually you can just rotate it to change the mode. See here, this is direct flow, this is one type, and this is jet in the sense force. This is going very further, means the distance here with the force, and this force depends upon the tap. Okay, if your tap water is force enough, you will get this force. If not that much force. Okay, and I personally like this because out of all the gardening tools, there were actually four gardening tools for 260 rupees. The user has purchased this, and out of all the 4, I like this very much, this water spray gun. And let me just turn it to flat here, flat or shower, sorry, this shower. Especially when you want to spray the water just like a shower or sprinkle the water, this is very useful. And this is also sprinkle but with even mucher force. And this is cone type, and this is full, this is mist. Just rotate it. Okay, that rotate and leave. Yeah, so along with that I want to show you another also. This is also the spray gun, but this is mainly because of the, what is this, bike washing. Okay, this is for the bike, high pressure bike washing. There are 2 nozzles given, actually 2 nozzles, and this is the spray type, another is the very high pressure, and this one can be used for the watering of plants also. If you want unboxing of this video, I will be dropping that one in the description. Please, you can check that in the, this is battery operated. Okay, just you need to keep that foot valve in the bucket or on the tub where you have the water source. Okay, just you can dip it in the water source and just you can plant it, water the plants. See, this is even more, it can reach even more somewhat distance. Okay, this is just like a mist, even more good, and this is battery operated. Okay, the user has purchased this for 1200. Just I want to show you both the devices, which are cool and unique. So I'm just showing you. If you like this video, please do hit a like, and if you want to look at these products, what I'll do is I'll be attaching these in the view products just for information purpose. You can just check. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.